Rashandria, I'll go ahead and show you visually the answers to your questions. Hopefully the answers. Hopefully I'll help you. One of the things you wanted to know was related to the BYOT podcast assignment. You said you don't have an artifact section, but you actually do. It's this top section. So what I'm suggesting, one route for you to submit your questions is to hit edit, get your little cursor underneath your podcast, because you kind of want to leave this thing alone. Maybe hit enter a couple times, and then you can paste your answers right here and then hit save. So you can copy out of your Word document and paste them right here. So they'll be right under your podcast. Or the other option is to do a file upload, and you do that by hitting edit, just like we did before. I'm going to ignore that recovered draft. Maybe click enter a couple times, and then you hit file, upload files. I'm going to go to desktop. I created a file to upload here. It may not let me upload though. I'm not sure. We'll see. Select your file from wherever it's located on your computer. Double click blank. In this case, I'm uploading a document called blank. And we're going to wait. You see that little wheel spinning? We also want to, there we go. We wanted to see that icon come up. Once some kind of icon appears, then we know it's done. Plus it says over here, file uploaded, and that's another helpful sign. And you can just left click it once, and it will pop onto your page in that spot where you had put your cursor previously. So now you hit save, and from there I can open up your Word document. So I just clicked it, it's downloading it, and then I can open it through Microsoft Word. So that's how you do that piece. I'll go ahead and delete it off your page though. I hit edit, I clicked it once, I hit the delete key, and I hit save. Okay, and by the way, your podcast does play. If I run the QuickTime plugin, it will resolve, as you can see it's doing right now. Okay, the other thing was, how do you delete the Promethean flip chart link? Well, because I don't have what is it? I don't have the top level rights in your wiki. I'm just a member, and we members can't do everything in your wiki that you can do. So you can't see what I want to show you here, but basically at the bottom of this, if you're logged into your wiki, at the bottom of the navigation area, you'll have the words edit navigation. You should be able to click them once, and it will open up over here. This list of links will open up, and you can delete the Promethean flip chart and then click save, and that should do it for that page. And if you were to ever destroy your wiki navigation, you can actually find it in pages and files. It's harder to find it, to edit it, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. That may not make sense. But you can also get to it through space.menu. There it is, and you can actually look at its various revisions. And I think you should have the power to actually revert to these different versions of that navigation bar. I think I probably don't have it because I'm a guest, but as the owner of the wiki, if you were to destroy this on accident when you're messing with it, that's okay, because it saves snapshots of your navigation. So let's check out your June 7th snapshot. So that was the step where you hadn't linked them up yet. You just typed the stuff out at that point. So anyway, and again, you could come look at this version, and you could actually click a button that says revert to this version, which would make it go back to this, which you don't want to do. I'm just kind of telling you in case since I can tell you're a little bit hesitant about deleting your Promethean flip chart. It's probably because you haven't done it a lot. You may be concerned that you might destroy it, but I want you to know that it actually saves each version of this thing that you've made, so you should be okay. And worst case, you would have to redo it, but that's not gonna be a problem. Okay, let me look back at your questions very quickly. I think we've talked about everything. I'll go ahead and just show you, just to be sure, on my navigation bar what I was talking about. You'll see the words edit navigation. You'll click edit navigation, and then from there you'll find the thing you want to delete. I'm doing it right now. And then what you would do is you'd hit save, but I'm not going to hit save on this because I don't want to delete that particular item. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.